Hi. Today we will learn how to download STSI Holding mobile app. First, open your App Store on your iPhone or Play Store in your Android. Search for STSI Holding and make sure to download the app with our logo. Click on the download icon and wait a couple of seconds. Done? You can now open our app and start your sign-up process. Now that you download our app, let's start your sign-up process. First, click on Sign Up. Now, input your personal information like name, last name, email, telephone, company name, the name you want to use, and create your password. To finish your sign-up, you need to input the products you usually buy or sell. For each product, you can add different choices like you see in the screen below. First choice, second choice, and third choice are some of the options you have. You can add multiple products by clicking on Add another product. The last step is to select the ports you want to get shipping prices. Done. Now click on Sign Me Up and wait for your account to be confirmed by our team. Once you sign in, you will see 4 main tabs: Dashboard, Market, Messages and News. This is your dashboard, where you can see new offers. Click on Market at the bottom menu to see all offers that are available for you. You can also filter your offers or search for specific offer numbers and names. Click on Messages to see all chats you opened about offers and talk to our team. If you click on News, our website will open with our latest news. But don't worry, you will remain in our app and can close this tab when you want.